What is the importance of proper storing of hand tools or equipment?
Storing your tools prevents them from collecting dust, grease, and rust. Have a designated place for each kind of hand tools or equipment. Label the storage cabinet or place correctly. Make sure that your hand tools or equipment are clean. Before you put your hand tools, make sure that your storage cabinet is clean and dry. Wipe down your storage cabinet with a clean cloth. And now, we can put all the hand tools or equipment in the storage cabinet.
Carefully inspect your tools before each use. Check your hand tools if it has damage. Clean your tools after every use. You can use a brush or cloth to clean your hand tools. Store your tools properly.